When you're traveling in central Italy, anytime from May to late September, you can't miss joining in a local Sagra, a village festival where all of the locals unite together to enjoy the wonderful food, volunteering some to cook in the kitchen, the young people waiting at tables, even 6-year-olds can be clearing the tables. The elderly people are often pushing around the carts, which will pick up the trays and the dishes to be cleaned. And the foods are typical of the area. The Sagras run about every 10 days, so you can go to one all summer long, actually, and they'll have different food themes. There could be the mushroom Sagra, or there could be the Sagra of porchetta, as in the little town of Bastia near Assisi. There could be a spaghetti Sagra, and after sharing the good food, the dancing is shared. On the dance floor, a live band will be accompanying the people as they whirl around. You can see grandmothers guiding their grandchildren, teaching them to do ballroom dancing. You'll see young couples, you'll see older people. You could see people who are 85 or 90 years old dancing with great glee and pleasure. Some of the older people will go from one Sagra to another all summer long, all spring long, all summer long. Sometimes they'll go just for the dancing and will skip the enjoyment of the foods before. So these are wonderful festivals where you can participate in the local color. At any Sagra, you might be the only non-Italians there. I'm just waving at a couple I know as they dance past me. I've known that little guy since he was a child, and this is just the joy of the Sagra. Don't miss a Sagra when in central Italy in summer, springtime, and they'll go all the way to the end of September as long as the weather is good. Raccogliendo anche tutti i tuoi no, ma voglio te. A tutti quanti voi amici di Sant'Anna, grazie di cuore. Le nostre canzoni, voglio te. Questa sera la voce, lui, Manuel, e buonanotte. Questa notte non finirà mai, oltre la mia follia, sulle rive del cuore starò, raccogliendo solo te. A tutti quanti noi questa voglio te, signori, mano in buonanotte.
La mia orchestra stasera, ragazzi, finalmente sono arrivate le nostre nuove chiavette USB, le trovate lì sotto il nostro gazebo insieme ai nostri nuovi CD. Questa è la prima canzone.